So our best substitution would be the mean value of these two, x square plus 5x plus 5 and x square plus 5x plus 7. So let me write here x square plus 5x plus 6. Suppose this is equal to a. From here I can write x square plus 5x plus 5 will be a minus 1. And we can write x square plus 5x plus 7 will be a plus 1. Let's put in our equation, we will write 1 plus 1 over a minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 1 over a plus 1 whole square equal to 2. Now we'll take LCM. So in denominator we'll write a minus 1. In numerator there will be a minus 1 plus 1 whole square plus denominator is a plus 1. Numerator will be a plus 1 minus 1 whole square equal to 2. Now minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. Plus 1 minus 1 will be 0. We will write a over a minus 1 whole square plus a over a plus 1 whole square equal to 2. Now we'll be using one algebraic formula. So if I will write here p square plus q square will be equal to p plus q whole square minus 2 times pq. Let me write our equation here, a over a minus 1 whole square plus a over a plus 1 whole square equal to 2. So this is our p, a over a minus 1, and this is our q. So we can write our LHS a over a minus 1 plus a over a plus 1 whole square. This is p plus q whole square minus 2pq. So 2 times we will write a over a minus 1 times a over a plus 1 will be equal to 2. Now we will simplify this bracket. In denominator we will get a minus 1 times a plus 1. There we will use difference of two squares formula. So denominator will be a square minus 1. In numerator we will write a square plus a square minus a. Then we have to put part 2 minus 2 times a, 2a square over a plus b times a minus b, a square minus b square. So we will get again a square minus 1, RHS is 2, plus a minus a will get over. We will get equation 2a square over a square minus 1 whole square minus 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to 2. Now we will use substitution number 2. 2a square over a square minus 1. Suppose this is u. So we will write 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to u. So we will write our equation u square minus u equal to 2. We will write all the terms to one side, u square minus u minus 2 equal to 0, which we will factor u plus 1 times u minus 2 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will get u equal to negative 1, u equal to 2. Now we have two values of u. Here u is 2a square over a square minus 1. So I will write here u equal to minus 1. Then we'll write u equal to 2 separately. So I can write 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to minus 1. And here we can write 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to 2. Let's solve our first equation. I will write 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to minus 1. Cross multiply. We will get 2a square equal to 1 minus a square. Now we will add a square to both sides and write 3a square equal to 1. A square will be equal to 1 over 3 after dividing by 3 both sides. Now we will take a square root both sides and write a will be equal to plus minus 1 over square root 3. Or we can rationalize our denominator and write root 3 with plus minus sign over 3. So we have two a values from our first equation. Now we will consider second equation, 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to 2. We will cross multiply and write 2a square will be equal to 2 times a square minus 1, or we can write 2a square equal to 2a square minus 2. Now we will subtract 2a square from both the sides. We will get 0 equal to minus 2, which is not true. So from this equation, we won't get any solution. No solutions. So this equation will be rejected. So accepted A will be plus minus square root 3 over 3. Now A is our substitution, x square plus 5x plus 6. Let me write here x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to plus minus square root 3 over 3. This is our A. Now we will subtract 6 from both the sides. So plus and minus 6 will get over. We will write x square plus 5x. This will be equal to, we'll take LCM over here. So we can write minus 18 plus minus square root 3 over 3. Now this is one quadratic equation. I will be using completing the square method. So coefficient of x is 5. Half of 5 is 5 over 2. Square of 5 over 2 is 25 over 4. We'll be adding 25 over 4 both sides. Now LHS will give us one perfect square of x plus 5 over 2. So I will write here x plus 5 over 2 whole square in LHS, and in RHS we will take LCM. So we will multiply both the denominators. We will write here 12, 3 times 4. Then we will cross multiply. We will write 18 times 4 with negative sign minus 72 plus minus 4 square root 3 plus 75, which will be equal to 3 plus minus 4 square root 3 over 12. Let me write here x plus 5 over 2 whole square will be equal to 3 plus 4 root 3 over 12 and 3 minus 4 root 3 over 12. Now 4 root 3 is greater than 3. So here we are going to get negative number or negative value. A square is negative. We are going to get complex solutions. So we will be rejecting second value. This will be accepted. 3 plus 4 square root 3 over 12. Let me write here 3 plus 4 square root 3 over 12 will be equal to x plus 5 over 2 whole square. Now let's multiply here with 3. So in the numerator, now we will write 9 plus 12 root 3 in the numerator and 36 in the denominator. Now this will be equal to x plus 5 over 2 whole square equal to, we'll write here square root of 9 plus 12 square root 3 over 36, and let's put power 2. Now we will take square root both sides. So we need to plug in or put the sign plus minus. So I will write here plus minus sign. So x plus 5 over 2 will be equal to plus minus square root of 9 plus 12 square root 3 in the numerator and 6 in the denominator. Square root 36 is 6. Now we have to subtract 5 over 2 from both the sides. So x equal to minus 5 over 2, which we can write minus 15 over 6 plus minus square root of 9 plus 12 square root 3. Denominator will be 6. Denominator is common. We will write here 1 over 6 in the bracket minus 15 plus minus square root of 9 plus 12 square root 3. So finally we have two real solutions. 1 by 6 times in the bracket minus 15 plus minus square root 9 plus 12 square root 3. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.